Hi, today I'm with me DooGee X97 PRO and I'll show you how to add the Remove Home Screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, and then you'll see here the widgets icon on the left down corner. Tap on the widgets and you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, we can see that the contact, I can get 5 different types of the widgets. The card also get 5 or 6. The calendar, we got 2 different widgets, the full month view and the shadow. Just to add the widget, we should just press and hold and just move to our home screen with the finger. If you want to move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create a new screens with our widget, we should just hold it and drag it. Just to resize it, we should also just hold the widget and drag it a little bit, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove it from your home screen, you should just hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.